So check this out. We got a last second van meet participant. We're about to go out. We're at the Mirage Gas Co. And I always tell you guys, this is the spot. You go down 10 miles that way. There's where the off-roading spots is. This guy's last second and is lifted. I thought you said, yeah, man, I got a Transit. He said, Traverse, made by Pleasureway. So yeah, I said, dude, I'll wait for you. Shout out to Mark and Yaz. He waited for like 8 hours for us yesterday. He was a trooper. I said, dude, I could wait for you a couple hours, man. I got this guy, Mark, waited 8 hours for us. I'm going to wait for you, man, until you get here. I'll show you where to camp out. So what do you got here, man?
This is a 2005. It's actually an E250, but it's Pleasureway Traverse. So like the front hood's fiberglass, the top's fiberglass, it pops up.
Oh, yeah, like a sports mobile.
Like that.
Sports mobile.
But it's two-wheel drive, gas, 5.4. This thing runs great. It's a good.
But you know what? You know what the people at home want to know? What lift is on this thing?
Yes.
So what do we got?
Van Larry special, all the way through and through here.
Shout out to Larry.
Yeah, shout out to Larry, big time. He's got.
There you go.
You can still see some of.
I saw the we saw the decal there.
Yeah.
And Larry, this one's for you. The pivot. Oh man, Larry said it's not a drop down bracket. He said like pivot relocation.
Yes.
There it is. There you go, Larry. Pivot relocation. I will try to stop saying drop down bracket. Yeah. Let's take a quick look at the inside.
Yeah.
This is what he's camping out in tonight. Me and Brooke are gonna sleep in a hotel. She was a trooper. Slept in a van the last 2 days. Look at this.
I gotta pop this down, and then I got another mattress, and I'll pick up and open up the windows up top so the wind blows through here.
This guy's tall.
And,
do you fit in there when you stand up?
I do fit. 6'4". I fit in here.
6'4". There you go.
Sometimes my feet hang off a little here, but this goes out to about here.
How about the pop top? Could you stand?
Pop top, yeah. This has another board normally, and I took it out because I can sit up without my head hitting.
Oh yeah, can't you sleep on that part?
You can, but I made it shorter, so normally it has another piece
storage.
that attaches here, and it's in storage.
Okay.
So if you're traveling two people,
or you have a dog or a kid,
you want her up top, or the wife.
Or the wife. That's the nice one, and the punishment you sleep on top.
Yes, that's right. That's right. That's true. That's true. But it actually is pretty good up there. You can sleep up there.
Yeah, that's tall if you could stand in here, man. You're as tall as the van. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
And these things are. Hey, this is the only vehicle that's taller than you.
I know. This
right?
And I got a fridge and a stove for coffee, and
this guy, you're gonna.
This is actually, and then see the heater vents, so you can, if in cold weather, you can totally warm yourself up. It's got a heater vent on each side, so it's kind of nice. You can get it super warm in there, like when it's freezing outside.
Yeah.
And he's a nice guy for forgiving me because I'm gonna wake up late tonight.
You guys are great. Thanks for waiting for me today.
I'm glad you made it out here, man.
Yeah, me too. I'm looking forward.
Hey, I geek out on this stuff. You see my channel.
Yeah, it's great. Your channel's great, man. That's
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I see the back real quick, then we'll head out.
Yeah, totally.
I like the decals. You didn't want to take it off, right? Because you do like them.
I didn't want to take that, even though I got teased about them. That I should. You want me to open
You know why? You know, it's not a teasing. It's people are envious. Kind of like how I say sick add-ons. Yeah. I actually like Jeeps.
Right.
You know what made me laugh today? What'd your son say about
sick? My son says sick add-on. Sick add-on right there.
Yeah, so when people make fun of the decal, they actually like it.
Right. No,
that's a sick add-on decal.
It's a sick add-on.
And it's a mountain, like you're gonna be in the mountains right now.
And then if you need the shower, you just go like this. Open up the back, and then I got this right here. I top up, and I hang my little propane. It's all under, towels to shower. But then I got a regular shower handle that I stick right here, and you're good to go. Good like hot water shower. Here's the pump and the gizmos. I guess I could pretty that up, but it's sort of something you can take out anytime too,
Hey man, I'm gonna.
It's a beach van,
Don't sue me, but I'm gonna use the Larry Special now when it comes to lift kits. I'm gonna. We're gonna trademark another term. The Larry Special. He has the Larry Special lift kit.
Yes, it is.
All right.
When you forget your clips, I go down the road and I'm like, oh, I forgot the clip up here. As long as I don't leave the heat.
Oh, ask her what I forgot. Man, it was like such a messed up day. What did I forget yesterday?
You forgot to lock your box.
Oh no, and it swung open.
It swung open. All my tools flew out.
We stopped and we heard
It's cool. It's a shout out to Mark, Mandy, Jose / Joseph. Man, we had a good time. All right, let's go. I led Stefan out to Fonts Point in Anza Borrego. He wants to camp out here tonight. So I said, let's do it, man. I'll lead you out here. If you go look that way, buddy, you can see the canyons. So I told him air down. He has a good compressor. That's a lesson for you guys later about compressors. You get a good compressor. So I told him air down, hug the side, and just find a spot off to the side he could sleep next to it, because I've seen people do that. They just sleep against the canyon walls, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna check this place out. We're gonna do it. I said, you got a good compressor? Yeah? Okay, I'll go with you tomorrow. Me and Brooke are headed to the hotel right now. She's a trooper, slept in the van the last 2 days here.
So 1 night of luxury.
2 nights.
2 nights. Okay.
2 nights. We got room for 2 nights. So here's his van. The Larry Special rear locker and a rear gear. He's ready to roll.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yeah, you look
test it out tomorrow, huh? See?
Yeah, really test it out. Then we got some deep sand here earlier. So there it is, man.
Very cool.
Good luck. I'll see you tomorrow. This is what it's all about right here.
Yeah.
All right, man. See you guys tomorrow. That's what it's all about. Yeah, buddy. There's our Raptor lights.